Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover linked list class of Java collection framework. Linked list class implements list interface. There is a concept of node in linked list. When we add an element in the linked list internally, a node is created for that element at a random memory location. A node has two pointers, one pointing to the previous node and other pointing to the next node. We could create an instance of linked list class like this. Now we have added three elements in the linked list, so internally three nodes would be created at random memory location and there would be pointers between the nodes. We have added another two elements, Ritesh and Ajit. So two new nodes would be created for Ritesh and Ajit at random memory locations and there would be pointers between the nodes. Now we want to add Biju at second index, so a new node would be created for Biju at a random memory location and the existing node pointers would be changed so that Biju comes at second index. So we do not require internal shifting when we want to add an element at the center of the linked list. Now we want to remove third index element from the linked list. Ramesh is the third index element, so Ramesh node pointers would be removed and the Ramesh node would be freed for garbage collection and the existing node pointers would be changed. So we do not require internal shifting when we want to remove an element from the center of the linked list. In a list, if our frequent operation is adding and removing elements from the center of the list, then it is better to use linked list instead of array list. There are few linked list specific methods. To add an element as the first element of the linked list, we could use the method addfirst. To add an element as the last element of the linked list, we could use the method addlast. To remove the first element of the linked list, we could use the method removefirst. To remove the last element of the linked list, we could use the method removelast. To get the first element of the linked list, we could use the method getfirst. To get the last element of the linked list, we could use the method getlast. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.